Okay, here we are at the entrance to Hotel Rumbao. Coming in, and over here to the right, we've got the Rumbao Market. You go in there and you have coffee. We can buy coffee. We got some to take home. And over here to the left is the elevators that take you up. You gotta go to the second floor to check in. So this is the first floor, the ground level. Again, you go up to the second floor to check in. And right here's the grand staircase. We're gonna take the grand staircase up to the second floor.
Hang on.
What? And here we're up at the second floor. Again, this is where the elevator would bring you up.
We just went around in a circle.
Yeah. So here's the elevators that bring you up. And here's the check-in desk. In the afternoon, when you come in, they have this set up here, and you can have a little prosecco. And over through that doorway there is where the bar, and there's a rooftop lounge and a restaurant. Good morning. Okay, here's a little bridge that takes you over the street. Over there's the pier. And we're coming over this way just to see where the fitness center is. Okay, we're not going to go in, but right here's a fitness center, and this you got to have your card to access the room right there. You just scan your card. Same with the hotel elevator. You can go between the ground floor and second floor, but if you're going from the second floor up, you got to scan your card. And then come over here. They have meeting rooms, so you can do stuff here. It's quite a big facility. And again, we're going back into the hotel part.
This is a bridge.
Yeah.
We're going over the road.
Alrighty, we're gonna go back to the room. Gotta get ready to check out. Gonna go get on our cruise.
Get on the Valiant Lady. We can't see her. She's not out here. She's up at the Pan American. Next time.
I'm going to give you a little room tour of our room here at Rumbao. Just come in. And over here we have the bathroom. Got a nice big mirror up there. shower. Had a nice hot shower earlier this morning. And out here, the bed was nice and comfy last night. Had good sleep. And our room has a view of the bay. We'll come over here and take a look out. And there's the bay. That's a look out our window. And I don't know how well you can see it. There's a ship out there, dock. There's another one over farther to the left. We might not be able to see it. But this was our room here. We're spending a couple nights here. Very comfortable. And we'll take a look around here. What do we got going on here? Oh, there's Susie.
Hi. I was just down at the Quiro's bar and restaurant.
And that's our quick room tour. It's been very comfortable. Okay, I'm up here on the second floor. You can see over there's where you check in, and right behind me is the bar and the restaurant, Kodos. We're going to come in. I'm going to show you around. We had dinner here last night. It was very good, and we had breakfast here this morning. So here's the restaurant, and then over here to my right is the bar. Everybody here has been very, very nice to us. And then out here, I'll bring you over here by the outside deck. If you decide you want to come out and have drinks or anything you need out here, come out here, overlooking where the ships come in and dock. I recommend if you stay here at the hotel, come in here, have some beverages, have something to eat. They treat you very nice here. The people have been so fantastic to us. They've treated us like family here. They've been very, very nice with us. And there's Sue enjoying her beverage.
Tail in the world. The jungle bird. Oh my god. It's like there's one. Not today though.
So if you come to Puerto Rico, you definitely have to come up here and try it out.
Don't expect me to do all that. What do you want me to do?
All right, we're here on the 9th floor. We're going out to the pool deck, and we're going to do some video at the pool, and then...
Goes up there.
Yeah, watch out, don't trip. She's already been doing the rum.
Some rum.
Oh, here we are. We're up at the pool. Ooh, I should have worn my sunglasses.
Oh yeah, I know it's bright. I'm surprised it's
All
still
right.
breezy here.
Yeah. Come on, come over here. Oh. Wow. All right, here we are at the Rumbao, up on the 9th floor at the pool deck. There's the port.
The hot tub is not hot,
No.
but I would still get in it. Oh my God, feel the breeze. Woo. Tomorrow, if Valiant Ladies out here, you gotta get it. Oh, but she might be over there.
Yeah, we're not sure where Valiant Lady's going to be. I don't know how well you can hear us with the wind. It's pretty windy up here.
Yeah.
Feels good. Sometimes Virgin is docked here. Sometimes they're across the way over here on the other side.
Yeah, that's somebody's like private thing.
Yeah. So we're either going to be right here at this port or across the bay at the other port. We'll find out tomorrow morning. But it is, oh, that breeze. It's very breezy up here, but boy, it feels so nice.
Oh yeah, as opposed to 30 degrees and snow. Oh, I love it. I love it. Thank you, Vinny. And my roots are dry 'cause
Again,
the wind, but it feels good.
again, we're coming to you from the Rumbao, Hotel Rumbao. I can't say enough about this place. The people here have been so nice to us.
Yeah.
And just to look out over the bay here, it is gorgeous.
Yeah, I wonder how.
Again, this is the pool up on the 9th floor. Pool. You're enjoying it.
It's not hot. You know, some hotels have a bar.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want my bagel so bad when we get on the ship tomorrow. We're at the top of the Rumbao. This is either we're going to be way over there where that ship is, or this one closer, and the celebrity, whatever, just left. We don't know. Way over is the Pan American Pier, and then these are the old San Juan piers. But we won't know until Saturday. But Rumbao, look at, if your ship is docking right here, look how close. It's amazing. But then again, the Pan American is over there, but you gotta take an Uber and drive all the way around to that side there. Okay, so I can't see, but you can see behind us. Look at the ships are here. Not ours. We got another day here in San Juan. It's beautiful, sunny, right?
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It's not. The sun is. I love it. Oh my God, I love it. Are you in
Feels
the
good.
frame?
Probably
Vinny?
not.
Oh, but look at that. We have to come back. We get on the Valiant Lady tomorrow morning. She may be out here, or she may be at the Pan American Pier. We'll find out tomorrow. So See ya. Bye. Later. Peace out.
Hey, pretty much every hotel you go to and spend the night, everybody's usually pretty friendly. But here at the Rumbao, they've been above and beyond. They have made us feel very welcome. The staff has been very nice and very courteous to us. We've had a great stay here. So, if you come to San Juan, you might want to think about spending some time at the Rumbao.